Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Thursday, the 26th of April, 2018. After today, we have 21 days of school left. All right, hopefully you're pretty excited about that. But most importantly, we are not done with school. We still have got a lot of work to accomplish here in the next month. In math this evening, there is no homework. In science, your Earth Day poster is due tomorrow. And if you've not yet done so, your Malabar money is due May 4th. Social studies, you have some optional research you can do. Language arts, you can, your mentor text should be done. Most people finish presenting today. Lit, your AR points are due the 18th of May, and you need to finish your book club book reading log and your book club book because tomorrow you're taking your final test. Down here, one of the things we've talked about is you're getting a lunch detention if you're playing games at school on your Chromebook. We had quite a few instances today during Warrior Time of students doing that. It is not appropriate. All right, you can play those games at home, but not at school. That's it for today. Make it a good one.